Hey guys, today I'm going to show y'all me putting in my box braids. I also did like a little short.
Oh no no, oh no no, she's confident. Oh no no, oh no no, and I'm down with it.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I put in my box braids. So to start off, of course, you're going to have to know how to like braid your hair, of course. So I'm just going to put my hair in some plaits, and then I'm going to get back to y'all because I really don't need to know how I do it. I'm just going to show y'all how it looks afterwards and how big they are and everything. After a few hours, this is my hair. Wow, it like, kind of shrunk up a little bit. This is my hair of how I braided my hair. And so now we're going to start doing the actual braiding, and I'll show y'all how I did that. So my ring light isn't working, so we're just going to do it in here, kind of a weird environment to do it in. But anyways, you're going to take a small section of your hair, and then you're going to part it in half. And with this hair, you gotta like pull it all the way over to get it to work. So you're going to take the hair, so you have them both in your hands like this. And so I take my middle finger and I take the hair under, and you just loop it like this. Now this is going to create the knot, be able to grip onto your hair. So then you're just going to take your braid. You have to get the right angles sometimes when you do it. So I take the hair and I put it over my braid. My braid goes in the middle. And then you're just going to braid, because this braid will be the third strand for the braid. And you braid it like how you would braid like a strand of hair, just tighter. Guys, it's like literally 2 days later because that weed color like wasn't working for me, but it is good for the tutorial because you could like see how I braided it. But I got this color instead by the same brand, and this is just an auburn. This is an ombre. It goes black, brown, and then it goes into ash blonde, and we'll see how that turns out. These kind of curled up because I had these under my wig in like a braid. But we're just going to start in the back of the braids, and we're just going to start braiding. I kind of already explained how to braid, but I will show you like when I'm done like on one front piece. But other than that, I'm just going to get into this, and I'm going to get back to y'all when I'm halfway done, and I'll tell you how long it took me.
2 hours later.
Okay, so it's been 2 hours. This is the hair. This is how it looks so far. So cute. I love the color. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box for like this hair that's on Amazon. It was, I believe, $22 for 5 packs, which isn't bad at all. So I just have this much left. I would say that's like a little less than half. And so now I'm gonna take a little break, and I'm gonna get a snack and stuff and let my hands rest for a second, and then I'm gonna get back to it in like 5 minutes. And I'm going to show y'all how I braid it, like on like the last piece. I'm going to show y'all one more time how to braid your hair. Let's go get a snack.
She's a runner, she's a track star.
Oh my gosh, this one smells so good. Okay, so you're going to part the hair that you picked in half, and then you're going to loop it, and then you're going to use like the part where they're looped together as like a grip, and you're going to braid the hair as tight as you can at the roots. And you're going to use the braid, like your real hair, as one of the strands in the braid. And then you're going regular, like, braid it. And then once you get down to the ends of your hair, you're just going to grab a piece of hair from the other sections and just braid that down. And then you're going to repeat it again. braid it at the roots. Use the braid as a strand in a regular 3-strand braid. Braid all the way down to the ends of your hair, and then add a piece of hair from the weave and braid that as usual. And then I'm doing something different. I want the ends curled, so I just parted the hair into 4 sections, hair tied it so that it won't unravel, and then I braid the hair, which that's what's going to bring the curls into it. And you see how clear my skin is? That's because I've been using the Dovilla brush, and there's going to be a video on that soon. And so then you're going to dip it in some really hot water. Well, like boiling water. I forgot to say that. Boiling water. You're going to dip that in. I curled the ends with a clip so that the ends will be curly too. And then dry it, of course. Here's the finishing results of my hair. It came out great. I really like it. Like, I wasn't sure how I felt about it at first, which I feel that way like every time I do my hair. I'm like, I don't know how I feel about it, but like seeing it now, it looks cute. I love the like color. It goes with the shirt, like the neutral kind of thing. I clipped the ends so that like when I dipped it in the water, I twisted it around and I clipped it so that the ends will curl too, because I didn't want the ends to be straight because it wouldn't like really look right. So I hope y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an amazing day. Bye.